Good morning, everyone. Myself, Tanushri. I'm from Dabur India Limited. Let me introduce my technician, Anita,
Good morning, everyone.
and my
My name is
model,
Anita. I am here to represent my brand, Dabur India Limited, Oxylife brand.
and she's our client today, Jhilik Majumdar. Let me tell you what we are having for Dabur professional products. Almost all the parlors are very much aware and using our products. We are having 8 bleaches for face. We are having 1 body bleach. We are having
Comfortable as
6 facial kit and 1 detan. And Dabur Gulabuli also. Today we are having very short time, so all the products is not possible to show you. We are having a very recent launch, that is Dabur Oxylife Bridal Facial Kit. This is bridal facial kit. Bridal is very famous in India, and all the girls, they wanted to look most beautiful in their marriage. So this product has been introduced from Dabur. Today we'll show you how to use this product. In backstage, we have already done the cleaning part, like the cleansing, polishing, and detan. Most importantly, this product is already having a detan inside, so we don't need to do outside product. Okay.
Please.
Inside of this product, we are having 6 pouches like this. 1 pouch is for 1 client. Okay. Inside of this product, we are having sachet, 8 beautiful sachet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, like cleansing, polishing, and detan we have already done. Now, technician Anita will show you how to do the serum and cream massage. You start, Anita. Meanwhile, I will tell you what are the main ingredients we are having inside. Can I have the slide, please? We are having 8 steps, 8 beautiful steps. We start with cleanser, then polishing, then detan, then we are having serum. After that, we'll do massage for 10 minutes with our cream. And we are having the key, like the best in this product is our under eye gel. It's a smoother, it helps to remove the pigmentation around the eyes. Okay, and finally, we will do pack and then post moisturizer. Second, the main key ingredients of this product is our pure gold dust. We are having pure gold dust in the product. What is the result of pure gold dust? It helps to do blood circulation, and it helps to reduce the aging and increases the elasticity in our skin, which tightens the skin and it becomes more tight and soft, and it looks younger. Anita, what are you doing?
Applying the serum.
Now, after detanning, our technician is applying serum. Just in circular motions, you will do the massage. No heavy massage is required because serum is very light. It penetrates in the skin very easily. We'll keep it for 5 minutes to get absorbed. As we're having very short time, so we'll reduce the time. Let me go to the next slide. Pink pomelo. Pink pomelo is very high source of vitamin C and vitamin B, folic acid, and it removes free radicals from the skin and combats against the aging and fine lines of the skin. Yeah. Serum. Massage cream. Okay, post serum, she's applying the massage cream. And she will do massage for 5 to 6 minutes. Actually, we do for 10 to 15 minutes, but here we are having short time. So we will do it little faster. She's applying under eye smoother. It will reduce the dark spot, pigmentation, and other spots around your eyes. Actually, aging starts around the eyes only first. Okay, so it's very important to apply eye gel while we are doing anti-aging facial kit. See, we can't stop our age, but yes, we obviously having some products which will reduce or which will delay the process of aging. This is one of our product that will reduce the age processing.
इसको भी increase
क्या है ये?
pack. छोड़ दो छोड़ दो ओके 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 ओके.
The pack is in the gel form. It is not a very dry pack. So we generally we keep the pack for 10 minutes, but here we'll keep for 5 minutes only. After applying the gel around the eyes, we will apply the pack together. Nothing to remove, okay, one step, one by one, don't need to remove anything. Finally, we'll clean the face and see the result. In the eye gel, we are having almond oil, which is a source of vitamin E. And vitamin E, we all know that it nourishes the skin. It's very good for skin. ठीक है. If anyone wants to ask any question, please feel free to ask me, or you can visit our stall number 420 Dabur Oxylife.
तो आप लोग पूछ सकते.
We keep the pack only for 5 minutes, then we'll see the result. Jilik, are you comfortable? She's comfortable. Can I have the next slide? Let's see what I have left. Kiwi I have already covered. Please go to the next slide. Bangkok extract. It contains vitamin B1 and a vitamin C. Next slide, please. Next slide. Yeah, I've already covered step number 7. It's under eye smoother that we have already applied. It removes the pigmentation. Then, thank you from the slide. Let's see what the result has come.
Remove कर दो.
Or 8 minutes.
Yes.
See, actually in parlors, to do a facial, it takes almost 1 hour. Okay, but here we are covering everything within half an hour, so you can understand, but still we can show our result. You can use the product. It's actually a very, it's actually wonderful product within your range. The pricing is also very friendly. Everybody can buy, but the result is very, very attractive result you will get. She is removing the pack. She is removing with wet cotton. Before applying the post moisturizer, Anita show the result. I want
Okay.
Chilik to walk in the ramp just to see. Clean it properly.
fresh cotton.
Done? Done. Jilik, just come in front of our
एक मिनट
audience so that everybody can see.
मैं मॉइस्चर अप्लाई कर दूँ उसके बाद.
हाँ.
After applying the moisture.
Huh?
After applying the moisture.
Okay. Post moisturizer we are having, so she's applying post moisturizer. I would request everyone to use this product, to feel this product and to see the result at salon.
एक मिनट.
We are almost done.
जाओ.
Just really go in front of our client. See the result. We have done this facial just within half an hour. Can you see the result? How is this? Can I get a response from all you? Can I see the response? Do you like the product? Please come and visit our stall number 420. Let me tell you the pricing also, it's only 1500. The MRP is only 1500. We are having a discount also. For detailed discount and offer, please come and visit our stall number 420. 420, I'm again repeating the stall number 420 Dabur Oxylife. Thank you for your time. Thanks for your patience. Please visit our stall. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.